What is the theme for Earth Day 2021, baby? Okay, today is April the 22nd, 2021. It is Earth Day, baby. An international event celebrated around the world, baby, to pledge support for environmental protection, baby. Okay, the year 2021 marks the 51st anniversary for Earth Day, baby. Okay. This year's theme for Earth Day is Restore Our Earth. Okay, let's restore our Earth. I am a big fan and investor in EV market, baby. Okay, Tesla. Tesla is not just your regular car, baby. They ain't just talking about just driving people with no hands. Okay, Tesla is putting up solar panels, baby. Okay, they trying to do the whole big thing about solar panels. Okay, I'm into the EV market, wind, solar, baby. Okay, I told y'all about Biden and the whole economy. We got to change the world. Okay, we got to leave a place for our kids. If we keep on tearing up the world with all these smart cars and the ozone layer, oil in different countries and place, man, come on, we tearing it up. Okay, let's stop this and let's start by helping recycle, baby. Um, Ride a bike to work. Okay, save some gas. Carpool. That's another way you can do it. Buy an electric car. Tesla, Neo, baby. Told you. Hey, hey, it's plenty of ways that you can do to help your environment on Earth Day, baby. You can do one thing by spreading this message and this video to any and everybody. Because your boy, your money coach, is not just all about stocks and money. I'm about the world and economy too, baby. So be blessed to invest in yourself. The money coach is out. Celebrate Earth Day. I'm trying to plant me some trees or something. I'm not a big planner, but hey, this is my support and contribution for Earth Day. Spreading the word. Happy Earth Day 51st anniversary from the Money Coach and the Money Coach team. Be blessed to invest in yourself.